हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम इन अवर यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे पाइलोनेफ्राइटिस के बारे में। इंट्रोडक्शन। पाइलोनेफ्राइटिस ग्रीक मीन्स पाइलम, रीनल पेल्विस, नेफ्रोस, किडनी. Itis inflammation is an urinary tract infection that has reached the pelvis of the kidney. Definition: it is the inflammation of the renal pelvis and parenchyma that result from an infection that ascends to kidney from upper urinary tract. Cause and risk factors: enteric bacteria, E. coli most common organism, urinary obstruction, infection, trauma, blood-borne infection, pregnancy, renal disease, surgery on the urinary tract, stents on drainage, producer, prostate enlargements, kidney stone, sexual intercourse. Metabolic disorders: infection in the bladder, use of catheter to drain urine from the bladder, use of cystoscope to examine the bladder and urethra, defects or abnormality in the urinary tract that block the flow of the urine. Clinical manifestation: flank and low and mid back pain, urgent frequent urination, pain or burning during urination, fever, nausea, vomiting, pus and blood in the urine, abdominal pain, chills, dysuria, costovertebral angle tenderness. एक डायग्राम दिखाया गया है, उसमें आप देख सकते हैं कोस्टोवर्टेब्रल एंगल कौन सा है, वहाँ टेंडरनेस मिलती है। ये साइन है पाइलोनेफ्राइटिस का। डायग्नोस्टिक इवोल्यूशन, हिस्ट्री, फिजियोलॉजिकल एग्जामिनेशन, यूरिनरी टेस्ट या यूरिनालिसिस टेस्ट। यूरिनालिसिस टेस्ट में क्या होता है? यूरिन कल्चर लिया जाता है। अल्ट्रासाउंड, voiding cystourethrogram, VCUG. A VCUG is an X-ray image of the bladder and urethra taken while the bladder is full during urination. Voiding cystourethrogram एक पिक्चर दिखाई गई है, देख सकते हैं आप इजीली। डिजिटल रेक्टल एग्जामिनेशन, DRE, DMSA, डायमर कैप्टोसक्सिनिक एसिड इमेजिंग टेक्निक होती है that relies on the detection of the small amount of radiation after ejection of radioactive material. डायमर कैप्टोसक्सिनिक एसिड सेनेटिग्राफी इमेज दे रखा है इसमें। CT स्कैन। मैनेजमेंट क्या हो सकता है? लेट्स सी। मेडिकल मैनेजमेंट में एंटीबायोटिक आती हैं, सिप्रोफ्लॉक्सिन, लिवोफ्लॉक्सिन, बैक्टीरियम, रोसिफिन। एंटीपायरेटिक एस्पिरिन, एसिटामिनोफेन या पैरासीटामोल। सर्जिकल मैनेजमेंट में सर्जरी टू रिमूव रीनल कैल्कुलाई। Treatment of pyelonephritis. Pyelonephritis is treated with antibiotics which may need to be taken for several weeks. While a urine sample is sent to a lab for culture, the healthcare provider may begin treatment with an antibiotic that fight the most common type of bacteria. Once culture results are known and the bacteria is clearly identified, the healthcare provider may switch the antibiotic to one that more effectively targets the bacteria. Antibiotics may be given through a vein, orally, or both. Severely ill patient may be hospitalized and limited to bed rest until they can take the fluids and medication they need on their own. Fluids and medications may be given intravenously during this time. In adults, repeat urine culture should be performed after treatment has ended to make sure the infection does not occur. If a repeat test shows infection, another 14-day course of antibiotic is prescribed. If infection recurs again, antibiotics are prescribed for 6 weeks. Nursing diagnosis: acute flank pain related to infection of the kidneys, impaired urinary pattern related to the inflammation of the kidneys as evidenced by examination overall report. Altered body temperature related to infection is evidenced by the checking of vital sign. Risk infection related to presence of bacteria in the kidney. Fear, anxiety related to pyelonephritis. Hospitalization, knowledge deficient of the family member, patient related to disease condition. होम रेमेडीज़ में ड्रिंक वाटर हेल्प टू फ्लश बैक्टीरिया आउट ऑफ द किडनी. यूज़ ए हीट पैड प्लेस ओवर किडनी फॉर 10 to 15 minutes कैन हेल्प एलिवेटेड पेन, फ्लैंक पेन. Eat diuretic foods during any type of kidney problems. Top 20 natural diuretic food: lemon, oats, celery, Brussels sprouts, ginger, beet, apple, cabbage, cranberry, eggplant, parsley, turmeric, water, tomato, cucumber, watermelon, carrot, garlic, artichokes, asparagus. Thank you.